Hey, how can you make money on YouTube after the COPPA Act kicks in? Hey, what's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to talk about COPPA, which is everybody, pretty much everybody on YouTube is talking about this big COPPA thing that's kicking in, I guess, the beginning of the year 2020. And the big thing everybody complaining about is anything that's related to like children content or intended for kids are going to be demonetized. Drastically demonetized. They're going to be hidden from notifications. They're not going to be allowed to have any comments on their videos, and basically it will dramatically affect their monetization overall. Just by having children's content. Now, COPPA, which stands for was it Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. It all came from, I guess, YouTube being sued by the government, I believe, saying about how they got children, how they've been targeting children and showing them ads, and they ain't supposed to be doing that. That's a no-go, I guess, for the government. First and foremost, really quick before I get into how you can still make money, I do want to say it really doesn't make sense to me with the YouTube. It just don't make sense, because why are you punishing people who are making good quality? Not good quality, but like videos for like family-friendly videos. Because about a year or two ago, they had this big ad thing because they were saying YouTube, they're too hardcore, right? It's too violent, it's too this and too that. So a lot of accounts got demonetized because of their content not being family friendly. Now they're hitting it from the other side, saying that the videos, if you're too kiddish or your videos are intended for kids, they're gonna punish you for making family friendly, for all members of the family. You're gonna punish you. So I just don't get this. How is it that the big like the news channels and corporate like sponsors and stuff that do promote the kids, how are they going to be allowed to promote on YouTube? Because I'm sure they still is. What about because you're not allowed to have any content directed towards kids. So what about kid movies, right, that comes out and like the news talks about a new Disney movie or anything like that? How's that going to play? Because it make it look like YouTube is trying to like weed out everyday people and trying to just go strictly corporate. Because there's no way these big corporate channels are not going to be having any content that's related to children at all under the age of 13. That just don't make sense. I don't believe it. And I seen another YouTuber really quickly was saying before, he doesn't understand why can't they make it where to have a YouTube account you have to be over the age of 13 and you have to have some sort of verification or something to actually create an account on YouTube, instead of putting all of the blame on the content creators. What about having it where the parents of these kids, or the kids need to take a little bit of responsibility on what they're watching? Another YouTuber was talking about how even with all of these hurting the people creating children's content or have content intended for children, that's still not going to stop kids from watching the violent and the non friendly or children stuff. All they gotta do is to go on to YouTube. So the COPPA kind of just looks like it's just messing with ordinary people that's trying to create cool content and family friendly content. That's what it looks like. Hopefully, I believe that there will be some sort of balance or something that needs to help out the creators, because the creators did actually build YouTube and made it what it is today. But now it's so big, it looks like YouTube is kind of like, we don't really need you guys. We don't need you. But anyway, so with that being said, with all this demonetization and in fact of losing money, how can you still make money from YouTube if your videos aren't going to be seen no more and your ads are your ads are not going to be getting the ad revenue that they once got? So the one thing that I can say is you should, and I know there's a lot of people like, what? Create your own products. You have to. Or become an affiliate of products that maybe can get you a 10 to 20 to $30 commissions. And when your video do get seen, right? Instead of you basing off the ad, you still can create some nice income and generate some nice commissions, based off of the content that you do have. I also would recommend creating some sort of list. Get some sort of email opt-in right now for all you people creating this content for children and stuff. Just point people to an email list. Create an email list. That way you can actually be able to still market your content, and then you still can provide offers to people that join your list, because you could just send them to your videos. Whenever you drop a video, you can email your list and let people know, hey, I got a new video out. Not only can you do that, you can still have your created, Kindle book, your affiliate program, or maybe your whatever product you came up with, t-shirt, whatever. And that's a way that you can still keep doing, still earning revenue, because I believe you still can have ads on your videos. I just think they're going to be like not the same, like not as much or something like that. I think you still will be able to have ads. So I recommend, like I said, become an affiliate of something, or create some sort of merchandise or product that can go with your channel, right? Because if you get demonetized and you're not earning money anymore from the YouTube ads, that is a way to generate some more income, or a new income stream, right? So that's my take on the COPPA thing. Overall, I do think it's messed up right now, because there's no way, I believe, there's like all of these big corporations who promote towards children and stuff like that, I just don't believe that they're going to be shut down too. I don't know, but we'll see. But obviously, guys, people are still making money on YouTube. You can do it as well. So if you got any questions, or just share it in the comment section. What do you think about COPPA? And are you still using YouTube? Or are you going to leave YouTube? A lot of people talking about leaving YouTube, so I'm still here. Be sure to subscribe. Till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.